520就是欢迎各种有志青年过来联系我，
最好是小一点的。
If you want to have an interview with us about the I Love Day, I Love You Day.
"520" is a short form of May 20. The number sounds phonetically very close to "I love you" in Chinese. Many people celebrate this special day buying gifts to express their love. Or maybe they just find an excuse to relax. So today I'm taking a break and I meet a friend who has a chocolate store. Hi, Danny.
Hi. Currently, we have in total 6 stores in China. Chocolate always have this emotional bond. The essence of chocolate from a literal perspective is to share the joy. So we believe the I Love You Day is not just to be said between the lovers. We actually want it to extend to a broader sense between friends, between the family. Everyone can say that I love you, I appreciate you, and thank you. And that's when a chocolate can be a very good media to express that appreciation.
Besides chocolate, what else do people want for I Love You Day? I went to an outdoor festival to find out.
We can see a lot of people here are enjoying the atmosphere, and I'm 100% sure that they may want to take a day off just like me and take a break out of the works. Question is about the romantic economy.
If you want to have an interview with us about the I Love Day, I Love You Day, maybe you should wait 20 minutes because our wives arrive in like 20 minutes, and then we should have the interview. Well, I love my wife, so.
其实我更注重礼物一些，我特别喜欢那个粉色的鲜花，会让我很开心、很激动、很兴奋。
从我个人来说的话，可能和我的比如说兴趣爱好相关啊，或者是可能更有仪式感一点的礼物，是我比较期待的。
就像送一瓶香水，因为其实实用价值的话，我觉得平时可以就买了，然后礼物的话可能会更满足自己的情绪价值。
买礼物的预算大概是多少
？1-2千差不多。
送你礼物呢？你有什么最想收到的礼物？
吉他，我搞了一个自己的乐队，可以。
我可以免费去看吗？
我估计不太行，需要买票。没有做乐队的一般都很穷，我刚刚跟你装的。
你是单身吗？
是单身。是520就是欢迎各种有志青年过来联系我。
要是能够送一个男朋友，我也很愿意。
在线征个婚。
可以，最好是小一点的。